Jason. Jason through.
Get jazzy on.
Hello, you must be Mrs. Sickle.
Yep, that's me.
Well, come in, come in. Well, take a seat, take a seat. So, what is it that you want to discuss?
I was planning to reproduce with my husband. But we were concerned since my husband, his brother, has 2 kids with sickle cell disease. And my sister also has sickle cell disease. I just wanted to get some more information so that we could decide whether to go forward and have a child.
Well, yes, that's a very important issue. Well, we can surely give you the information you need to make an informed decision. I am Dr. Dre, and here's my partner.
Hi, I'm genetic counselor Ebert.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I will give you the information on what the disease actually is, and Ebert here will give you your odds of your child having it.
Thank you.
We can surely give you the information you need. Sickle cell disease is a blood disorder that's passed through heredity. In 2010, there were 29,000 deaths attributed to sickle cell disease. About 90% of patients survived age 20, with a mean life expectancy at around 50 years. The disease has many different symptoms that can cause complications, and the iconic symptom being the sickle-shaped blood cells that the disease got its namesake.
Ah, I see.
And the complications of this disease include infections, stroke, gallstones, blood vessel occlusion, tissue infractions, and chronic pain. It's not a good thing. The red blood cells are mutated in such a way that certain HbS molecules are polymerized in such a way that it stretches out the blood cells, giving it its sickle shape. And this shape can cause problems in the veins and arteries of the body, which can cause clogging and then the blood occlusion I talked about earlier, and this leads to a lot of problems. And then the certain macrophages within the blood will eliminate the sickled cells, leading to anemia. And signals, it also sends signals to the brain that can cause vasoconstriction, increased heart rate, fever, and pain. Patients with sickle cell disease can still live fulfilling lives with use of modern technology, but it's something they have to deal with throughout their lives. But with modern technology, I'm sure that they can live with up to at least 50 years, the mean life expectancy. And it might not be certain your child will have it exactly. And that's what my partner Ebert will tell you more about.
Yes.
Okay. So what are the odds of my child having it?
Well, Ebert will explain this. So why don't you take a seat and explain this, Ebert?
Okay. So, your husband's wife his brother has 2 kids that have sickle cell disease, so he must be a carrier. And so does his parent. And same thing happened with your sister. So, pretty much, you got 66% to be carrier, and 33% to not be. And same thing with your husband as well. And all in all, you get 11% that your kid will end up with sickle cell disease, and 44% of not getting anything, and 44% of being a carrier of the disease.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
No problem, no problem.
Well, I hope that enlightened you.
Alright, doctor.
Thank you, Ebert, for explaining all that for me. So disease is a very serious disease, but we can deal with it with modern technology. And there's only an 11% chance your son will even, or daughter will even have it. So knowing all that, what do you think are you going to do about this? Are you still thinking of having a child?
Well, it's really tough. Because I want my kid to be just a normal kid, you know? Live a normal life. That's all a parent can ask. I think I'm gonna adopt.
Really?
As a parent, all I want for my child is to be normal, just to have a normal upbringing, to not have any problems occur.
You don't want to risk it?
Yeah, I just want to protect my child.
Well, there's no wrong decision in this endeavor. You know, it's a good thing you're informed and you know everything, and then you can still make a decision with what you know.
Alright, thank you guys so much for your help.
Well, thank you for coming in.
Yeah, no problem.
Well, if you ever need anything else, just call. You know my number? Get it over for you.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, so good luck.
See you.
Sickle cell disease!
Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Get jazzy on.